This Amazon Modern Expandable Container House is your flexible solution for modern living. Introducing the Expandable Container House, an innovative and versatile solution designed for a wide range of uses, from comfortable housing and staff dormitories to secure security rooms, practical temporary offices, convenient stalls, spacious warehouses, and even carports. This modern structure redefines temporary living with its unique blend of quick assembly, portability, and customizable comfort. What truly sets this container house apart is its ingenious double-wing extension structure. This cutting-edge design allows the house to expand, creating significantly more usable living space. Inside, you'll find a thoughtfully laid-out interior, typically accommodating 2 bedrooms, a functional kitchen, a comfortable living room, and a complete bathroom with a toilet. This maximization of indoor space ensures ample room for both leisure and work, all while maintaining a compact footprint when folded. Designed for ultimate convenience, the expandable container house excels in quick assembly and portability. This prefab tiny house can be astonishingly installed in just 10 minutes, allowing for rapid move-in and incredibly easy relocation. Its innovative design makes it ideal for anyone seeking a fast, efficient, and truly portable solution for outdoor temporary housing. Your safety and peace of mind are paramount. The main structure of this container house is built with a strong steel frame, composed of sturdy galvanized square steel tubes, ensuring exceptional stability and safety. The house boasts impressive resilience, with a fire-rated Class A classification, wind resistance up to level 11, and seismic resistance up to level 9. For regions with heavy snowfall, it is recommended to regularly remove snow accumulation from the roof to maintain structural integrity. The walls are constructed from fireproof and waterproof sandwich panels, offering additional durability and protection. Every need is unique. That's why the expandable container house offers extensive personalization and customization options. Available in 20-foot, 30-foot, and 40-foot sizes, and configurable as single or double-story units, you have the flexibility to design your ideal space. Choose from standard white, black, yellow, or gray colors, or opt for a custom color. You can also customize the number of rooms, 1 to 5 rooms, and the wall materials. Whether you envision a modular home, an adult tiny home, or a specific custom layout, this prefab tiny homes can be tailored to become the living space of your dreams. Please check the link in the description for more info. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.